Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change contact information on Amazon. Now here's a step-by-step guide on how to change contact information on Amazon. The first thing you need to do is to open the Amazon web app at amazon.com, and in the website just follow through the on-screen prompt to log in to your account using your account credentials. Once logged in, it's going to take you into this fantastic homepage. From here, hover over the account and list option at the top right corner of the page, and you'll be provided with a drop-down menu with a couple of options from account, others, keep shopping for, recommendations, browsing history, all the way down to sign out. Now click on account to access your account settings. So in here, in your account settings page, go ahead and find the option that says, or that is labeled login and security under the account settings category. So here you go, login and security, and click on it. So over here, you're going to be prompted to sign in again because Amazon is security conscious. So I'm just going to click on sign in and keep me signed in, so I won't have to go through all of these processes again. But I have a puzzle to solve, so let's say you're definitely going to solve the puzzle with me. All right, that was quick and easy. Is it the same? The password isn't correct. Okay. So over here, you have a prompt that says create a passkey to sign into Amazon. So let's say you want to create it. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on create. And you have to create a recovery pin. So now we're in the login and security page. So in this login and security page, you'll see your current contact information such as your name, your email, your phone number, and etc., your passkey, your password, and just a lot more. So to change your contact information, go ahead and click on the edit button next to phone number to update it. So click on edit, and once you click on edit, that's it. So you may be asked to verify the new number by entering a code sent via SMS. All right, so this is the old number. Now enter the new number and click on continue. You'll also be asked to verify. And then for you to change your email, just go ahead and click on this edit button that is next to your email address. So enter a new email address and continue. You also need to verify the new email by following the verification steps sent to your new email inbox. For the name as well, go ahead and click on the edit button right next to the name to make changes. You can also change your password, your two-step verification, and you can turn this on, and you can change your password, your passkey, and whatever thing you want to do with that, however you want to tweak it to your preference. After making the necessary updates, that's pretty much all you need. So after making the necessary updates to your phone number or email, go ahead and click on save changes to confirm. That's after you have made your changes. And after making changes to confirm, like I earlier said, Amazon may ask for re-verification of your account via OTP. That's the one-time password sent to your phone or email to secure changes. Check your phone or email for any verification codes or prompts that Amazon sends. Then enter the code in the provided fields to finalize the updates. Your contact information is now updated in your Amazon account. That's how you can change your contact information on Amazon. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.